Making an appointment. Good morning, Dr. Johnson's office. How can I help you?
Hello, I need to make an appointment, please.
Okay, is this your first time here?
No, I came here last year. What is your name? My name is Maria Garcia.
Okay, let me find your file. Yes, I see you here. What is the problem today?
I have a bad cough. It won't go away.
I'm sorry to hear that. How long have you had the cough?
For 2 weeks now.
That's a long time. Do you have any other symptoms?
Yes, I also have a fever sometimes.
Okay, let me check the schedule. Can you come on Monday at 10 a.m.?
Monday morning? Yes, that works for me.
Great. Or we also have Tuesday at 2 p.m. if that's better.
No, Monday at 10 is perfect.
Wonderful. Can you arrive 15 minutes early?
Why 15 minutes early?
We need you to fill out some forms and update your information.
Oh, I understand. Yes, I can come early.
Perfect. Do you have insurance?
Yes, I have Blue Cross insurance.
Good. Please bring your insurance card with you.
Okay, I will bring it. Should I bring anything else?
If you take any medications, please bring the bottles.
I take medicine for high blood pressure.
Okay, please bring that bottle too.
No problem. So Monday at 10 a.m.?
Yes, Monday at 10 a.m. We will see you then.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Feel better soon. Checking in at reception. Good morning. Welcome to Dr. Johnson's office.
Good morning. I have an appointment today.
Okay, great. What time is your appointment?
At 10 o'clock.
And what is your name?
Anna Lee.
How do you spell your last name?
L-E-E.
Thank you. Let me find you in the system. Yes, here you are. Anna Lee, 10 a.m. appointment.
Yes, that's correct.
Perfect. Have you been here before?
Yes, I came here 6 months ago.
Okay, then we need to update your information. Has anything changed?
Changed? Like what?
Your address, phone number, insurance, things like that.
Oh, yes, I moved to a new apartment.
Okay, we need your new address. Please fill out this form.
Do I need to fill out the whole form?
No, just update the parts that changed, your new address, and sign at the bottom.
Okay, that's easy. Here is a pen?
Yes, you can use this pen.
Thank you. Also, do you need my insurance card?
Yes, please. Do you still have Blue Cross?
Yes, same insurance, but I have a new card.
Okay, I'll make a copy of the new card. Just one moment.
No problem. Take your time.
Here you go. Here's your card back.
Thank you. Where should I sit?
Please have a seat in the waiting room. The doctor will call you soon.
About how long is the wait?
Usually about 10 to 15 minutes. The doctor is with another patient now.
That's fine. Can I use the restroom while I wait?
Of course. It's down the hall on the right.
Thank you. And is there water?
Yes, the water cooler is right there by the magazines.
Great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. The nurse will call your name when the doctor is ready.
Explaining a symptom to a doctor.
Good morning, Anna. Come in and sit down.
Good morning, doctor.
How are you feeling today?
Not very good. I feel sick.
I'm sorry to hear that. Tell me, what is wrong?
My stomach hurts a lot.
Your stomach hurts? Where exactly?
Here, on the right side.
Okay. When did this pain start?
It started about 2 days ago.
2 days ago. Does it hurt all the time?
No, not all the time. It hurts mostly after I eat.
After you eat, I see. What kind of pain is it? Is it sharp or dull?
It's sharp, like a knife.
That sounds very painful. How bad is the pain? From 1 to 10.
Maybe 8 or 9. It's very bad.
And does anything make it better?
When I lie down, it feels a little better.
Okay. Do you have any other symptoms?
Yes, I feel nauseous sometimes.
Nauseous means you feel like you want to vomit?
Yes, exactly, but I don't vomit.
Have you had a fever?
I don't think so. Maybe a little warm yesterday.
Did you check your temperature?
No, I don't have a thermometer.
That's okay. Have you eaten anything unusual?
I ate seafood at a restaurant on Sunday.
Seafood. That could be important. What did you eat?
I ate shrimp and fish.
And did anyone else who ate with you get sick?
No, my husband is fine.
Okay. Have you had diarrhea?
A little bit yesterday.
I understand. Let me examine you now. Please lie down on the table.
Okay, doctor.
I'm going to press on your stomach. Tell me if it hurts.
Ouch. Yes, that hurts right there.
Okay, I understand. You can sit up now. I think you might have food poisoning or gastritis.
Is that serious?
It can be, but we will treat it. I'm going to order some tests.
What kind of tests?
Blood tests and maybe an ultrasound of your stomach.
When will I do these tests?
You can do the blood test today. The nurse will help you.
And the ultrasound?
We will schedule that for tomorrow or the next day.
Okay, what should I do now?
Don't eat spicy or fatty foods. Drink lots of water. I'll give you some medicine for the pain.
Thank you, doctor. Discussing test results. Hello, Anns. Please come in and sit down. Hello, doctor. Thank you. How are you feeling today? I'm okay. A little nervous. Nervous? Why are you nervous? I'm worried about my test results. I understand. Well, I have your test results here. And, is everything okay? Yes. Mostly everything is good. Don't worry. Oh, thank God. That's good news. Yes, your blood tests look very good. So, everything is normal? Almost everything, but your cholesterol is a little high. My cholesterol? Is that bad? It's not very bad, but we should watch it. What is my cholesterol number? Your total cholesterol is 240. We like to see it under 200. Oh no, that sounds high. It's high, but not dangerous right now. We can fix this. How can we fix it? First, you need to change your diet. What do you usually eat? I eat a lot of meat and fried foods. That's the problem. You need to eat more vegetables and fruits. What else should I eat? More fish, chicken without skin, whole grains, and beans. And what should I not eat? Less red meat, less cheese, less butter, and no fried foods. That will be hard. I love cheese. I know it's difficult, but your health is important. What about exercise? Yes, exercise is very important. Do you exercise now? Not really. I walk sometimes. You should exercise at least 30 minutes every day. Every day? What kind of exercise? Walking is good. Swimming, biking, dancing, anything that makes your heart beat faster. Okay, I will try. Do I need medicine? Not right now. Let's try diet and exercise first for 3 months. And then what? Come back in 3 months. We'll do another blood test. And if my cholesterol is still high, then we'll talk about medication. But I think you can do this with lifestyle changes. Okay, I will do my best. That's great. Do you have any questions? Yes, can I have a list of good foods and bad foods? Of course. The nurse will give you some information sheets before you leave. Thank you so much, doctor. You're welcome. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in 3 months. Okay, see you then. Goodbye.
Canceling an appointment.
Dr. Cindy's office, this is Lisa speaking.
Hello, Lisa. I need to cancel my appointment.
Okay, no problem. What is your name, please?
My name is Anna Simph.
Can you spell your last name for me?
Yes, Simth.
Thank you. And what is your date of birth?
June 18, 1985.
Perfect, I found you. When is your appointment?
It's on Tuesday at 1 p.m.
Yes, I see it here. Tuesday at 1 p.m. with Dr. Cindy. May I ask why you need to cancel?
I have to work. My boss needs me at that time.
I understand. Work is important.
I'm really sorry for the short notice.
That's okay. We appreciate you calling. Would you like to reschedule?
Yes, please. Can I get another appointment?
Of course. When is good for you?
Maybe next week? I have more flexibility next week.
Let me check the schedule. How about Wednesday at 3 p.m.?
Wednesday afternoon. Let me think. What other times do you have?
We also have Thursday at 9 a.m. or Friday at 11 a.m.
Thursday morning is difficult. I start work at 10.
What about Friday at 11 a.m. then?
Friday at 11 sounds perfect.
Great. So that's Friday, April 12th at 11 a.m.
Yes, that's correct.
You're all set. Please remember to arrive 10 minutes early.
I will. Thank you for being so helpful.
You're very welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's everything. Thank you again.
Have a great day, Miss Smith.
You too. Goodbye.